seashells, it's Shelby, and I am back with another video. So today I'll be telling you guys about things Shelby, me, things I did to make my hair grow out. Now I know I did a hair journey video, but it was just basically pictures showing, you know, the journey, and there was no explanation whatsoever. And people have been asking me for this, and yeah, I just found the time to do it now, so we gonna hop right into it. Hey, so if you guys see me looking down, it's because I made notes on my phone. So yeah, first things first, I am not a hair guru. I mean, not yet, but these are just some tips I personally want to share with you. These are things that I did. You don't have to do them, you know, you do what works for you. So with all that being said, let me start now and stop rambling. While transitioning, I washed my hair every single week, or you know, every 3 days to a week. People always used to say, you know, you're not supposed to wash your hair so often. What I noticed with my relaxed hair is that the more often I wash it, is the more new growth I see. I don't know what washing my hair does, but I think it like washes out some of the relaxer, all those chemicals, you know, starts to break it down and all of that. But doing this, it makes your hair really dry, so you always have to deep condition. Deep conditioning is really important when you're transitioning, because head tan real bad, head real dry. When I want to dry, I walk up and down. And I think this is a reason why a lot of people don't go natural, because of the transitioning stage. The hair gets really dry and they don't know what to do with it. So what I did was basically do protective or low manipulation hairstyles. Buns for the most part. Actually, I did buns all the time, to be honest. If it wasn't buns, I would do cornrows, I would do flat twists, or I would do some flexi rod sets. Yeah, those are my go-to hairstyles. If I find some pictures, I'll insert it here. Please don't laugh at me. I'm glowing up, and those pictures were not cute. So also, I would gradually clip my ends, and actually I wouldn't clip them, I would just chop them. I would chop them right off with normal scissors. Scissors that you use to cut paper, scissors that you use to cut cardboard, those scissors. Now, do not do this. Do not use those scissors. Use hair scissors, or go to a professional and let them clip your ends. I was just unruly and I really didn't care, and I wanted it to, you know, be cut off. I wanted to cut my hair so long ago, like 5 months into this transitioning, but you know, daddy was like, no, let it grow some more, blah 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 blah. So I had to wait, but I don't think he knew that I cut it a couple times well with those scissors. I eventually followed up with normal hair scissors after a while, because I realized that, yo, those scissors are not good for your hair. So yeah, I did that. And also, a lot of people like to wear braids or extensions or whatever you want to put in your hair when they're transitioning. Go ahead and do that. At my school, we were not allowed to wear any as I was saying, at my school we're not allowed to wear any type of extensions whatsoever, so I had to crop it out, you know, and go to school with my dry head. Every day people say my head dry, and I don't know why I'm going natural, because I don't have pretty hair and I don't have nice curls and all of that crap. But I still did it because that relaxed hair was not for me. Anyways, so yeah, just braid your hair if you can. If you go to school and you know you can't wear extensions, braid your hair in the summer. Trust me, it helps a lot. you're keeping your hands out of your hair. That will help it to grow more. And yeah, that's basically it. Keeping your hands out of your hair, because when you're constantly touching your hair, you know, your hands are dirty, you don't know what you can do with your hands, you know, breakage, yada yada yada, blah 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 blah. We don't want that. So go braid your hair for the summer and just let hair be. You'll see a lot of growth. Then again, everybody's hair is different, but I saw a lot of growth. I transitioned for a year. I think I went like a week extra because the day that I wanted to cut my hair off, I couldn't, so I waited an extra week. So it was like a transition for a year and a week. And I was just over the relaxed ends, you know, that line of demarcation, all of that. It was very annoying, and I just had to let it go. So it ain't nothing I cut that bitch off. So yeah, I cut it off, and my hair was really short and disgusting. You can go watch my video. I'll put it somewhere in the suggestions. I'll also put it in the link below so you can see my hair journey and how it looked when I just cut it, yada yada yada, all of that good stuff. Yeah. Now what I used when I just cut my hair, the first thing I bought was some Eco Styler gel and this argan oil curling something. I don't remember the name of it, but those were the things I used to make my hair curly. And when I tell you I went to school, everyone's like, never know say hair pretty, can't touch it. Back up, you said I didn't have nice hair. Why do you want to touch it now? You dig? Anyways, that's off topic, but that's basically what I did. I would get cornrows like into an updo, and then I'll curl the middle because my hair was really short. Yeah, that's what I would do. And every night I would flat twist it, or I would do bantu knots and then pull them out in the morning, and they'd look so curly and nice and yada yada yada. Although I don't think short hair really suited my face very well, so I was a bit depressed that sometimes. I was like, I should have waited some more before I cut my hair. You will be discouraged. Everybody that has asked me about, you know, how I felt when I just cut my hair, I did not lie to them. I was like, I was devastated. I felt ugly, and you know, my head just did feel extra big. I didn't want to go anywhere. I always wanted to throw a hat on. But at the end of the day, you have to go through some stage like that in order to get to this stage right here, or even more. Some people are just blessed to have nice short hair, or they look really good with short hair. I don't think I was one of those persons, and that's just how I feel. I told some of my friends this, you know, I was like, you're going to feel really ugly and all of that, but it will be worth it in the end. I was not going to sugarcoat it and say, no, you must do it, you're going to feel really nice, da, 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 da. No. I'm giving it to you real. Okay? So as for the styling of my hair when it was short, that's pretty much all I did. And after a while, I would just do twist outs, wash and goes, braid outs, although those never worked for me, and they still don't really work for me, but I'll keep trying. I would just experiment with different hairstyles until it grew. And I must say, I did not start deep conditioning my hair until this year, and October the 1st or the 3rd or something like that would have made 2 years since I have done the big chop. And I just started deep conditioning my hair this year because I am just that lazy and I don't care. I never used to sleep with a satin scarf or anything, but please, that is the least you can do. Sleep with a satin scarf or bonnet or something of the sort. We don't have time to be buying satin pillowcases. I mean, no, we're not gonna buy none. So buy the little bonnet. It's like $250 or $300 for one. Jamaican dollars, I mean. So yeah, invest in that, and trust me, that will help your hair, because I have realized when I do my wash and goes and I go to sleep on my hair without putting anything over it, it gets really dry and not cute. But when I do put the bonnet on, it retains some moisture, and I can just shake my hair and it comes out popping. I sound kind of nasal because I kind of have a flu. I did not sound like this in the beginning of this video, so I don't know why my nose and my throat is acting up now. If your hair is long or to your shoulders, sometimes you need to try to keep it off your shoulders. Put it in a high puff, put it in a bun, something. People always say, oh, my hair can't grow past my shoulders. It's because it's always on your shoulders. Sometimes your clothes have cotton, or most of your clothes I bet have cotton or something, and your hair is rubbing on it. You know, it causes a lot of friction, and that's what causes the hair to break, and that's why it won't grow. Well, I don't think I've had that problem, because my hair is always like this, or even if it's out, it shrinks up so much that it does not really touch my shoulders unless it's wet. So I don't really have that problem, but I know when it gets longer I'll have that problem, and I'll take the necessary precautionary rules and regulations so my hair does not break off, because I am trying to get to bra strap length sometime soon. Yeah, I think, oh, drink water. Alright, people say drinking water helps. I can't really testify to that because water is all I drink, so I don't see any type of improvement or anything of the sort. But I advise you to drink water. It also helps with acne and all of that. It's not helping me though. I don't know what's wrong, but that's a whole nother video about skin and all of that. We're talking about hair. Drink your water, it helps. And also do like some mini scalp massages sometimes. It helps to stimulate blood flow, and that helps your hair to grow. Do not take it lightly. You know, sometimes you just be in class and you're bored, or your head itches or something. Do not use your fingernails or a pen or anything sharp. Use the tips of your fingers and massage your hair. Okay? You got it? You get it? Okay, good. So yeah, that's basically all the tips or whatever that I can give to you guys. These are things that I did and that worked for me, and you know, hair is growing and all of that. Oh, and also don't be looking at other people's hair and saying, oh, my hair will never look like that, my hair will never get that long. Don't do that. I used to do that, and I'm like, alright, my hair will never look like that, and I feel like I could just cream it back. No, your hair is different. Your hair makes you you. All you need to do is just take pictures every month, and you will see the growth in your hair. Trust me. Just don't look at, you know, people with 3C hair and the extra curly hair and say, oh, my hair will never look like that. You'll get discouraged, and then you'll just go right back to square one, and we're not trying to do that. We want everyone to come into the natural hair community, because we all love y'all, and I don't know where I'm going with this. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please give me a huge thumbs up, leave a comment, click my bell for post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post a video. And last but not least, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ah!